Is your car constantly leaving puddles on your driveway, underneath where you park it, and wonder where that might have come from? Is it a big deal or nothing to worry about? Today we're breaking down the 5 most common car leaks, what each color and location actually means, and which one can let you drive your car and which ones don't. Let's get into it. Number 1. Motor oil leak. If the puddle is light brown to black and it's sitting right under the middle of the engine, you're probably looking at an oil leak. Oil breaks down old gaskets and seals over time, and once one of them gives out, oil starts to seep. You might also notice a burning smell, a little smoke from under the hood, or a ticking noise from the engine. But oil levels drop fast once a seal fails, and running an engine low on oil can wreck it completely. Number 2. Coolant or antifreeze. Coolant is thinner than oil, almost watery, and it comes in green, orange, pink, or blue, depending on the brand. It also has a distinct sweet smell, kind of like syrup. You'll usually spot it near the front of the car, close to the radiator, or further back if a hose down the line has cracked. If your temperature gauge starts creeping up or your car overheats, coolant is almost always the reason. This one moves from keep an eye on it to pull over now faster than anything else on this list. Number 3. Transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is usually red or reddish-brown, with an oily texture that's a little thinner than engine oil. It pools more toward the middle of the car, right under where the transmission sits. If the car also hesitates before shifting or slips between gears, that's your transmission telling you it's running low. Fluid loss here almost always means a cooling line or a seal is going bad. If this is helping you make sense of what's going on under your car, hit subscribe, drop a like, and stick around, because the next 2 leaks are the ones people mix up the most. Number 4. Brake fluid. Brake fluid is clear to light yellow when it's fresh, and turns darker brown as it ages. It's thin and slippery to the touch, and you'll usually find it near one of the wheels, since it leaks from a brake line or a caliper. If the pedal feels soft, spongy, or sinks lower than usual, don't wait on this one. Brake fluid leaks are the most urgent leak on this list, because your stopping power depends on it. Number 5. Power steering fluid. Power steering fluid can look a lot like transmission fluid, clear to reddish-brown, but you'll find it pooling near the front of the car, closer to the engine bay instead of the middle. If the steering wheel suddenly feels stiff or heavy, or you hear a whining noise when you turn it, a cracked hose or a failing pump is usually to blame. It's easy to confuse with a transmission leak, so location is your best clue. One more thing worth knowing. If the puddle under your car is completely clear and doesn't smell like anything, that's usually just condensation from your air conditioner. Just plain old water. Totally normal, especially on a hot day. No need to fix anything there. So what do you actually do? If it's oil or power steering fluid, get it checked out soon, but you can usually still drive short distances. If it's coolant, pull over as soon as it's safe and let the engine cool down before you check anything. And if it's brake fluid, don't drive the car at all. Get it towed or inspected immediately. So, have you spotted a stain on your driveway that has left you confused? Let me know in the comments down below. Until next video, drive safe and stay honest.